Over time, nuts often get rusty or jammed due to dust and oxidation. This makes them really hard to remove, and forcing them too much might even damage the threads. Have you ever felt helpless dealing with one of these? Well, today I'm going to show you a few simple tricks to loosen them up easily. Let's check it out. Applying high heat will cause the nut to expand. This creates a temporary gap that reduces the tightening force holding it in place. From there, the rest is easy. What do you do when a nut has lost its hex edges? Just cut along both sides to create two new flat edges. And now, it's a whole lot easier, right? On a perfectly normal day, you accidentally snap your key inside the lock. Annoying, right? Here's a trick. Use two thin blades to grip both sides of the broken key, then slowly pull it out. Nice and easy. When a screw head is completely stripped like this, you can't remove it the usual way. Instead, use a metal drill bit. Drill directly into the center of the screw, and once the bit grips the inside, you can pull it right out. Another way is to take the head of a similar screw and weld it onto the broken one. Now all you have to do is twist it out. Easy. When a screw has lost all its grip, watch how I get it out. You won't believe how simple it is.